In the world of fine beverages, whiskey isn't just a drink. It's a symbol of sophistication and tradition. Jack Daniel's, one of the most iconic whiskey brands globally, is renowned not only for its unique taste but also for its meticulous and artistic production process. Let's uncover the fascinating journey behind every bottle of Jack Daniel's, from pristine water to the perfect glass of whiskey on your table. Every Jack Daniel's story begins in Lynchburg, Tennessee, a small and serene town nestled among the hills of Southern America. Here, nature has gifted an exceptional spring that flows through millions of years-old limestone. This water is free from iron, an essential factor because even a trace of iron can ruin whiskey's delicate flavor. This spring water, producing up to 3,000 liters per minute, is the lifeblood of every bottle of Jack Daniel's. Every drop plays a vital role in ensuring the purity of the production process. To craft its signature flavor, Jack Daniel's relies on top-quality grains meticulously chosen. Each day, around 450,000 kilograms of corn, malted barley, and rye are delivered to the distillery. The precise blend, 80% corn, 12% malted barley, and 8% rye, creates a unique profile, sweet, light, with a subtle spicy note. The corn is ground finely using advanced machines and mixed with pristine spring water. This mixture is then heated in large vats, where enzymes in the malted barley perform their magic, converting starch into sugar. This process is not just chemistry but also art, where every moment is carefully monitored. Once the grains have released their sugars, yeast is added to the mixture to kickstart the fermentation process. At Jack Daniel's, massive fermenting tanks hold hundreds of thousands of liters, yet every detail is managed with precision. Yeast, the living element of whiskey, consumes the sugar, transforming it into alcohol and carbon dioxide. At Jack Daniel's, preserving the exclusive strain of yeast is crucial. It's cryogenically frozen at -125 degrees Celsius to ensure every batch of whiskey retains its signature flavor over time. After 6 days of fermentation, this mixture turns into a sweet liquid called distiller's beer, ready for the next step. Distillation is a critical step to separate alcohol from water, creating green whiskey with 70% alcohol content. At this stage, Jack Daniel's employs massive stainless steel stills to heat the distiller's beer. As the alcohol evaporates, it is collected, cooled, and condensed into a clear liquid. However, this is still not whiskey. It's rough and far from the refined spirit we know. The signature difference of Jack Daniel's lies in its charcoal mellowing process. Maple wood, carefully selected and cut during autumn when sap levels are low, is dried for 12 months and then turned into charcoal. To make the charcoal, the maple wood is burned using whiskey as fuel, a tradition that's both symbolic and functional. This charcoal becomes a natural filter through which every drop of green whiskey passes, a slow process taking up to 10 days. It removes impurities and imparts the smooth, slightly smoky flavor Jack Daniel's is famous for. These barrels are stored in one of the distillery's 74 massive warehouses, each capable of holding up to 20,000 barrels. The aging process lasts at least 4 years, and the position of each barrel in the warehouse, whether high or low, significantly affects the final flavor. Barrels stored higher in the warehouse experience more heat, producing richer and more complex flavors suitable for premium whiskey. After reaching peak maturity, the whiskey is slightly diluted with water to reduce the alcohol content from 59% to 47%. It's then bottled and prepared for its journey to whiskey enthusiasts around the world. Each bottle of Jack Daniel's is not just a beverage but a masterpiece crafted by nature, science, and centuries of tradition. If you've ever held a glass of Jack Daniel's, take a closer look at every drop. It tells the story of meticulous craftsmanship and unwavering passion. Are you ready to experience the taste of a legend? If so, take a sip and savor it, because every glass of Jack Daniel's is a journey through time and space, from Tennessee to your glass.